Hi, my name is John Ball. I'm an application engineer for EXAIR. In this video, I will cover the EasySwitch Wet-Dry Vac system. They only fit onto the 55-gallon open-top drums. We offer two different types of filters, the standard 3-micron filter and the HEPA 0.3 micron filter. The filters are exactly the same size, so the packages will also be similar. Now let's take a look at the items inside the 6301 Premium EasySwitch Wet-Dry system with a standard filter. Here we have the model 6301 Premium EasySwitch Wet-Dry Vac system. As you see, it comes in 3 boxes. We have the 902249, the 6901 Spill Recovery Kit, and the 9041 Drum Dolly. So let's go ahead and unbox this and assemble this together. I will open it up, and there will be some assembly required to get the casters on. Bring the bolt up through, add the washer, and then the lock nut. Tighten all 4 down for each caster. For the spill recovery kit, the 6901, we'll just go ahead and open up the box. And what we have in here are 2 pieces, the actual wand itself and then the head of the vacuum here. These connected parts here will actually screw together. Loosen this up, place that in there, and tighten it, hand tighten it. Do not use a wrench, and then it will swivel. Okay, I already removed the drum and the components out of the box. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. We have the EasySwitch lid. We have some of the hardware components. We have the 10-foot vacuum hose. We have the 20-foot compressed air line. We have the pre-filter for the filter for the EasySwitch. Here we got some of the hardware. Some of the heavy-duty vacuum accessories. We have the vacuum head. And then we have the filter. Now we'll go through each and open up the components. For the hardware kit, we'll open it up. We're going to have our female hose connection, the male quick connection for the hose, a ball valve, a T, and some nipples, and a quick connect hose that is being supplied, so you connect to the other end of the compressed air hose, and a gauge. For the vacuum pump, we have As you see with the vacuum unit, we've got the inlet compressed air hose here. This is the float assembly. The muffler is up here. So there will have to be some disassembly and reassembly to mount that to the head of the to the lid. And for the third box, we have the vacuum accessories for the EasySwitch. It comes with a variety of different heavy-duty vacuum tools with the tool holder as well. Alright, here we have them. Now we can just attach them to the tool holder onto the drum. First we want to go ahead and install the vacuum head. It's always good to make sure that this air inlet is pointing away from the vacuum hose, just to make things less cumbersome. But we will have to remove these screws, keep the gasket, and for each one of them we will assemble it into the lid right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Remove all the screws. Alright, I have the 6 screws here. I have the gasket material, and I have the vacuum head. So we're going to try to line this up as best to kind of close this lid about halfway. Grab one of the screws and feed it in through or up into the bottom. Line it up with the gasket like that, and then rotate it to get the compressed air inlet in the right hole and tighten. You only need to finger tighten them. So you got a little bit of movement. I like to give it just a little bit of a snug tight, because we're going to have to try to work this all the way around the entire ring here. Alright, now that we have them all already partially screwed into the vacuum pump, we'll tighten them up, and we'll do it in a cross directional way. So tighten it up until you get kind of snug. Go to the opposite side, do the same thing, and just keep going in this cross pattern to make sure we get a good seal. Alright, just go around and make sure it's snug. Don't over tighten it because it is aluminum, but just enough to set the gasket. Alright, now let's connect the compressed air fittings to the inlet port of the vacuum pump. Make sure you use sealant on all the threads to seal them. In this demonstration, I'm just going to do it dry to show you how they go together. First, we're going to add the nipple, then add the T, add the gauge, add the other nipple, then add the ball valve. Make sure that the handle is pointing away from the gauge. On and off. Now this fitting here is for the compressed air source, the supply side, there where you would connect the compressed air hose to it. Now let's connect the vacuum side of the EasySwitch. Again, we want to use sealant in this, so we'll attach it dry. This is the male end, female end. We want to attach that to the hose, and then with the cam levers, they are now locked in place. Now for the last thing, so for dry applications, we want to make sure that the air is filtered. And as you see, this is a pleated filter, and then we have the pre-filter, which comes with it. You just remove the Velcro, it's marked this side out, and this will help capture all the big stuff, and Velcro it together. Then, when you're ready to use, go from a liquid applications to a dry applications, just pull out this cord, open it up, and place the unit inside. And all you need is to attach also clean, dry, compressed air. And you have a EasySwitch for dry or wet applications.